Hey guys, this is Brent, aka Ask for Brent. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to go over the fourth and likely final edition of Feature Advantage Benefit. We call it the F.A.B 5, and we're going to get right into that. But first,
hello friends, this is Brent, and thank you for tuning into the channel. If you are new, please like and subscribe so you can be notified, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, as I love to hear from you. Let's dive right in.
let's go. Feature Wi-Fi Hotspot Advantage, available on all new model Lexuses. Benefit provides faster and more stable connection for all your passengers. Okay, next up, feature Blindspot Monitor Advantage. It's available on all new model Lexuses. Benefit, it will prevent accidents with safety alerts. So the next feature is Intelligent High Beams Advantage. It's available on all new model Lexuses. The benefit is your high beams will turn on and off as necessary to keep you safe. Next feature is Pre-Collision System Advantage. It's available on all new model Lexuses. The benefits are forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, bicyclist detection, intersection turning assist, as well as emergency steering assist. Finally, the feature is Steering Assist Advantage. It's available on all new model Lexuses. The benefit is it's going to help keep you in the center of your lane in all scenarios, to include low visibility. That's it, that's all. I'm so happy that we went through this entire list of all the features, advantages, and benefits of Lexus. I hope you truly enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe so you can be notified. I can't wait to go into the future of Lexus with you. Leave a comment below, and until next time, when you come down to Coliseum Lexus of Oakland, let them know who you're with, ask for Brent, and have a great day.